So Sumo over at Sumo's Projects has thrown down a challenge. Make something out of scrap wood that's functional and your video can't be any longer than 3 minutes. There's no such thing as scraps. You either have usable pieces, kindling, or compost. So what should I make? Well, fence palings are always a popular one. 4x2 projects, they're always popular. Pallets. Oh, I don't know, what do I do? Aha! A stick! That's what I'll use. Everyone's got a stick laying around the backyard. What can I do with a stick? Now I'm actually going to make 2 things out of this stick. First, mark it, cut it down, start peeling off the bark. Get some cool colours. First, got to get all that bark off. You really want to clean that up. Cut off all the little knobbly bits, make that a little bit neater. Another small cut, bingo bango, couple of drumsticks just like that. Nope, tricked ya. Oh, look out. Now a 14mm Forstner bit, and then a nail for a couple of light taps so the centre of the Forstner bit can bite in. Now I'm using a 22mm Forstner bit to drill just below the original hole. Well, that's a bit awkward. So now some tongue oil made from pure human tongues. Nice and natural, bring out that beautiful grain. Screws, washers, 2 of each. In, bang. What have I done? What is it? What? Hang on. No. Ready? Oh, look at that! Oh, that looks satisfying. I mean, in the early days, this humble stick provided oxygen to breathe, and now it's a key that unlocks mother's milk. And what's left, I can chuck that in the fire and that'll heat the home for about 20 seconds. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm going to send both of these to Sumo. One of them's for him, and one of them is for whoever wins the major prize. But Sumo gets to pick which one he keeps. Thanks for watching.